In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Api-ms-win-core-path-l1-1-0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to upgrade or update our Windows. So click on the start button and then you have to click on the settings icon. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click on the Windows Update option. Click the button Check for Updates to download and install the latest updates for your Windows that comes with all the necessary files that your Windows need and that can fix the issue for you. So once you're updated and good, the next thing that we can do is to try to reinstall the program that you are facing the error with or that is giving you the error. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type Api-ms-win-core-path-l1-1-0.dll. Click on it under the best match. Locate the program that is giving you the error. Let's say, for example, you are facing an error with this program. Right-click and then select the uninstall button. And then just simply reinstall it into your Windows. So let's say, for example, we have uninstalled the Firefox browser. So open any other browser that you have on your Windows. And let's say, for example, we're going to type Firefox download. And simply click this button from here. And simply download this into your Windows to reinstall the program into your Windows. And just try to see that will help you fix the issue. And the next thing that we can do if all else fails is to consider a system restore. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type RSTRUI. Click on it, run command. Click on choose a different restore point, click next. Simply choose the date as to where you're not facing the error with. You can check that from here for the date and time. You also have here the description. So check the date and time as to where you're not facing the error with. Click on next and then click on finish and click on the yes button and just simply wait for the process to be done. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.